Sanibonani ngani zakwethu, namhlanje sizo-aplayela o-caregiver plus onesi e-UK noma e-Ireland. So istep sokuqala ungena Google wakho ubhala ukuthi thabusintwenhle.com njengoba ubona la. Nkosi yami ngiyacela zithona zami ukuthi niyenze short ne-subscribe kule channel so that ngizoqhubeka nkosi yami nginenzela ama-video, ngiyanithanda kakhulu. Mase usungenile kuThabusi, i-website ivela kanje bese uyehla uya ezansi. Nangu u-MMA Healthcare i-advert le nkosi yami, njoba nguchofa nje then ufaka uclose laphayana, ungayichofi le moto ngoba nami angiyazi ama-ads. So then mase ungenile ucinga into ethi apply here, njengoba nguchofa apply here, and then this is what the website looks like. So lana ngisanitshengisa nje ukuthi i-website ibukeka kanjani. Then bese uya lapha ku-applicants. Mawuchofa laphayana u-applicants phezulu uzokutshengisa ukuthi nursing in the UK, nursing in Ireland, care in UK, care in Ireland, doctors kanjalo kanjalo. Then bese uyachofa le osuke uyi-applyela. So la I was just showing you guys ukuthi ibukeka kanjani. Nangu u-apply now. Uyawuchofa u-apply now. Mawuchofa uzofaka straight kwi-application njengoba nje ngingene kwi-application, and then this is what the application look like. Indeke we guys, so nje uma umuntu onqenayo nkosi yami uzoba nenkinga. Kokunye angigcwalisanga, but I will explain ukuthi indaba nanokuthi yenziwa kanjani. So okokuqala uprofession uzofaka laphana ukuthi uapplyela in a registered nurse, bese exam passed uzoshuthi Ireland or whatever kukwena ama countries afakiwe. I'm just making isibonelo nkosi yami. Ngiyacela ukuthi ungathi uthe uThabusi when uzo-apply caregiver bese ufaka unesi lapha. I'm just trying to show you guys isibonelo ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani. So here ilokhuzana yami screen sami was acting up, but anyways, first name, surname, what do you like us to call you, uzogcwalisa. So mina ngenze isibonelo lana igama ngafaka ngathi Sam. So yeah, first name uyafaka laphayana, ngifakile ngathi mina Sam, and then ngafaka ku surname ngafaka ngathi Smith. And then ngafaka ukuthi Sam again laphayana. We guys, enye into ekumele niqaphele lana ukuthi they do have into ethi la kunama-stars khona. Ngiyabo la kunama-stars khona kusho ukuthi kuyaphoqa ukuthi ugcwalise. La khona onganawo khona ama-stars, i-block imi ngana-star, you can just leave it blank mawuthanda. So it's optional basically. So ngagcwalisa-ke njengoba ngigcwalisa-ke lana guys, uyafollowa nje uze uyofika ekugcineni kwesami i-video. So angifuni lokhu ngikhuluma kakhulu, but nje uzoyilandela le video ngiyagcwalisa until ngize ngifike la kuthiwa khona submit. lana kusemaphethelweni ngane zokuthi uzosho ukuthi uyizwe ngobani, and then la upload i-CV uzobe usuyafaka i-CV yakho nkosi yami, uthi upload file, emva kwalokho uthi submit, nali button eliblue lapha ezansi lithi submit, isiyahamba application imahhala.